To add MetaMask on Mises browser. Start by opening the Mises browser on your device. Mises is a blockchain-based browser that allows you to access decentralized applications and websites. First, you need to install the MetaMask extension, which is a digital wallet that enables you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrency. Since Mises browser is based on the Chrome browser, you can install MetaMask from the Chrome Web Store. To do this, type in the address bar the URL for the Chrome Web Store and search for MetaMask. Click on the MetaMask result and then click the Add to Browser button. A pop-up window will appear. Click Add Extension to confirm the installation. Once the installation is complete, you will see the MetaMask icon in the top right corner of the Mises browser. Click on this icon to open the MetaMask wallet. If you already have a MetaMask account, you can log in by entering your password and seed phrase. If you are new to MetaMask, you can create a new account by following the prompts to set up your wallet. After logging in or creating your account, you can start using MetaMask to interact with decentralized applications and manage your cryptocurrency. You can also use MetaMask to buy, send, and receive cryptocurrency, as well as to store your digital assets securely. It is essential to keep your MetaMask wallet and seed phrase safe and secure to prevent unauthorized access to your account. Always use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your wallet. By following these steps, you can successfully add MetaMask to your Mises browser and start exploring the world of decentralized finance and applications. Remember to always prioritize security and use best practices when managing your digital assets.